Today we'll be talking about gravity. Gravity is the force of attraction for which every human being falls to ground. It is simply the force of attraction between two bodies having masses. We'll justify the statements later in the part of the video. It all started when an apple fell on a genius and their chemistry gave birth to the beautiful concept of gravity. It is just a myth. Newton was genius, but the chemistry with apple was not true at all. He just asked a simple question. Is it the same force being responsible for falling of the apple from the tree and the moon rotating the earth? Is it the same? Actually, it was Galileo who first thought that they were same. Some of Newton's friends like Robert Hooke, Edmund Halley, they also thought that they are the same. But Newton was first to express it mathematically. The gravitational force is proportional to the multiplication of the masses and the inverse square of the distance between them. The g here is the gravitational constant and the minus sign indicates the force is completely attractive in nature. G has a value of the order of 10 to the minus 11. It is the smallness of g for which you cannot feel any gravitational pull for the guy sitting next to you. If you substitute one mass with mass of earth, which is the order of 10 to the power 24, you can easily feel the gravitation. If you want to deny the gravity, I can give a simple example. If you leave a comment in the comment section, you will see that it will stay up there forever denying the gravity. Go and check the phenomena. The gravitational force being proportional to the multiplication of the masses, say you and your girlfriend are d distance away, and a fat guy comes in who is also d distance away, but he has mass twice of yours, then according to Newton's, you will have twice the force of attraction to your girlfriend than yours. Another aspect is the force being proportional to the inverse square of the distance. Say you and your girlfriend are d distance away and she moves to another distance 4d. According to Newton's, you will have 1/6 of the force of attraction which was before in between you and your girlfriend. So if you think your long distance relationship doesn't work or your ex-girlfriend ditched you for a fat guy, you can easily blame gravity or ask the guy which is in screen now for an explanation. The theory was doing pretty good. It was predicting very much every phenomena including gravity. But there are some aspects that the Newton's theory cannot explain. If you look carefully to the relation, it is just a theory, it is just a relationship, but it doesn't tell us how the gravity works at all. Light consists of massless particle photons. According to Newton's laws of gravitation, as they are massless, they shouldn't feel any kind of attraction while passing by a big planet or a star. But they do feel gravitational attraction. This is called gravitational lensing. If the force field is much stronger than a star or a big planet, the photon gets trapped to the force field. This is the case of a black hole. Here comes another genius, Mr. Albert Einstein, who told us that the gravitational field is nothing but the distortion in the space-time fabric created by a heavy object. The photons just follows the curved geodesic of the space-time fabric, so it just bends around the heavy mass. This is the case of the gravitational lensing. In case of black hole, the space-time is so heavily distorted that the photon remains trapped forever in the black hole. Einstein once said that it is the appreciation of his fellow workers that gives him pleasure. Show your appreciation please, show your love, please share and subscribe.